Good morning. It's just so nice to see her eating. I gave her chicken liver. That'll be good for her. We both slept last night. I slept well. I didn't wake up at all throughout the night. And she was right there next to me when I woke up on her pillow, staring at me. I think that's why I woke up. She was staring at me, casting a spell on me. Wake up, wake up. Ah, my back. Just to turn this way. What's the time? 8:20. Jason messaged me last night. He sent me a voice note, but I didn't bother to listen to it last night itself. I just listened to it earlier. It's reminding me to bank in the money since he's got no money with him. I said, okay lah. Weather is perfect. Perfect for a public holiday. Did you hear Polo Green and his dogs? She heard. Oh, so nice to see her alert and back to her old self again. Last night I was talking to Hillary. I told Hillary about my appointment and she's so worried. And she's made me promise that I'll have half-boiled egg or hard-boiled egg, something in the mornings besides this my 2 cups of coffee. Oh, there's that silver that silver bird. It really looks silver. That's small, very small. Anyway, I'm gonna go boil water, have my coffee. I don't have bread, I don't have biscuits. Go and buy. I do have eggs, so I'll have 2 half-boiled eggs and coffee. Then we go out. Okay lah. Oh, I must say thank you. Thank you for being with us. When did it start? Friday. Today's Monday. Now I was just thinking 3 more weeks to her appointment. Today's 10/10. 19 more days. Okay, I'm going to have my coffee first and talk to you. Take a food inside. Welcome back, Umar.